Ever struggled to add that perfect plus sign or complex equation into your Word document? Let's fix that in a flash. First, position your cursor where you want your plus sign or symbol to appear, then navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your Word window. It's right up there next to Design. Look all the way to the right side of the Insert ribbon. You'll see a Symbols group. Click on the Symbol drop-down menu. You might find your plus sign or other desired symbol right there. If you don't see what you need, click More Symbols at the bottom of the drop-down. This opens a larger symbol library. The font drop-down here is key. Try different fonts like Symbol or Wingdings to find a wider range of options. Scroll through the available symbols. Once you found the one you want, let's say a plus or minus symbol, simply click on it, and then click the Insert button. You can insert multiple symbols at once this way. For more complex mathematical expressions, click the Equation option, also found in the Symbols group. Just above the symbol drop-down, this opens the equation editor, allowing you to build elaborate formulas and equations using a wide range of mathematical symbols and structures. Type in your equation and voila. And that's it. You've successfully added plus signs, symbols, and even equations to your Word document. Now you can create professional documents with ease.